Lexi just had a bath. She hates those. We're going to go for a walk to try to dry off her hair. This is her little buggy that she rides around in style. She really likes to take off down the road. We live in an area where there are a lot of hawks, owls, and coyotes. But you wouldn't know it by looking at Lexi because, hey, Lexi, I want you to slow down, pick up your feet, right? I want you to slow down and pick up your little feet. Yeah. Hi, cutie. Oh, yeah, you know Mommy's got treats. So, you want one of your little treats. Okay, just a second. There you go. Sit. Good boy. Yeah, Mom's got to get better at videos, but I'll definitely try to do my best of sharing Lexi with YouTube land and any other dog parent whose dog has experienced a spinal injury resulting in their inability to walk. Just so you know, there are other options besides surgery. Of course, I can't say. But for us, by the time we got her, and surgery was no longer an option, that would have been helpful to her. She's staying so close to my feet, I just can't seem to keep her in the video. But yeah, she's, some days she walks better than others, and she's really wanting me to give her a treat. Okay, Lexi, over here. Stay in the camera. Oops, I'm so sorry, sweetie. Let Mommy try and try again. Try again. There you go. Sorry. You gonna go again, Lexi? Okay. Axel got it. Oh well. Okay, so all I'm trying to say is that you would need to see a veterinarian to decide what's gonna work. In our case, we were told she would never walk again. Normal. And I was advised to get her wheels. She actually came with wheels from her former owner, and I might as well have been putting shackles on her. That was kind of her reaction was, oh, he's so much easier to film. And she just acted so miserable. Even when I put a little dress or, you know, kind of harness on her, she doesn't like those yet. And she's got some really cute ones I'd love for her to wear. We could just get her used to those. And so, Lexi, I think that because you're not really walking, you're just dragging your legs. Oh, there you go. Okay. You're starting to use those legs more. It may be a bit of muscle atrophy in her case. We're not really sure. She's definitely using those little legs. She just looks a little uncoordinated. We are working on the right leg, so we get another spinal adjustment in a few days. The chiropractor, for the most part right now, I wish you would just let me film you, Lexi, is focused on that right leg of hers. That, sorry, don't mean to create a video where I'm making anybody dizzy, but so I'm going to cut this video short so that we can just focus on walking, but I'll talk more in another video about her progress, because there's no doubt that was kind of a last resort for us, is we finally found a chiropractor willing to treat a dog. We had a hard time finding that, and so but she's really coming to life. Still, you know, looks uncoordinated back there, but again, maybe, oh boy, she spotted some other dogs.